In 60 seconds, you can eat 2 small cheeseburgers, read a comic strip, write a super short email, or you can get an idea on how to improve your production. With Sandvik Coromant, 60 seconds, starting now. The world is changing fast. Urbanization is growing. Population is aging. Climate is changing. Digital is happening. New materials are coming every day. Change is not easy. We need to lower emissions. Engines are downsizing. You need to craft new materials. You need to reduce cost per part without reducing quality. You compete globally. On top of that, you need to machine a component that is a geometric nightmare. Tough work. Together, we can take your production to the next level. With dedicated milling cutters, with industry-leading anti-vibration tools, with unique, high-precision coolant solutions. And we have the expertise and experience to map processes that will thrust you forward. We'd like to talk to you about component solutions.